The Rajya Sabha or the Council of States is called the upper house. It has a total of 250 members including 238 from all the states and union territories and 12 members nominated by the President. The Council of States Rajya Sabha is called as the second chamber of the Parliament of India. The Rajya Sabha is an institution to protect rights and interests of the states like the Senate in the USA. It was constituted on 3rd April 1952. The members for Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the respective state legislative assemblies (MLAs). Apart from the members of the states, 12 distinguished members from the fields of literature, science, art, social service were nominated by the President of India. Unlike the House of People, Council of States is not subject to dissolution, but one-third of the members retire every second year. The term of the individual member is 6 years. The members of the Council of States are elected by the respective state legislative assemblies in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote. The Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The chairman presides over the proceedings and regulates the Rajya Sabha. Except the money bill and the financial bill, all the other bills will be placed before the Rajya Sabha for discussion, questions, motions, and resolutions under the rules of procedure and conduct of business. The function of Rajya Sabha may broadly be categorized as legislative, financial, deliberative, and federal. Legislation is by far the most important business of Rajya Sabha, as indeed of Parliament, and in this sphere, Rajya Sabha enjoys almost equal powers with the Lok Sabha. In the USA, the representatives in the state council is called a Senate, where every state has equal representation irrespective of size and population of the states. But in India, the representation in the Rajya Sabha is based on the size of population. For example, Uttar Pradesh, with the highest population, elects 31 members to Rajya Sabha. On the other hand, Sikkim, the least populated state, elects only one member to Rajya Sabha. Tamil Nadu elects 18 members to the Rajya Sabha. The number of members to be elected from each state has been fixed by the fourth schedule of the constitution. And members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years and then they can be re-elected. Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house of the parliament that never gets fully dissolved. Some of the important privileges and immunities are given to the members of Rajya Sabha. Who can be a member of Rajya Sabha? Must be a citizen of India, must not be less than 30 years of age. Under the Representation of the People Act 1951, a person had to be an elector in a parliament constituency in the state from where he seeks election to Rajya Sabha. It may be, however, be mentioned that the Representation of the People Amendment Act 2003, which amended Section 3 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, has done away with the requirement of being a resident of the state or union territory from which a person seeks to contest elections to Rajya Sabha. She has to be an elector in a parliamentary constituency anywhere in India. Power and privileges of the members of parliament: freedom of speech in parliament, immunity to a person from proceedings in any court in respect of publication by under the authority of either house of parliament of any report, paper, votes, or proceedings; prohibition on the count to inquire into proceedings of parliament; immunity to a person from proceedings in any court in respect to the publication in a newspaper of a substantially true report of any proceedings of either house of parliament, unless the publication is proved to have been made with malice; freedom from arrest of members in civil cases during the continuance of the session of the house and 40 days before the commencement and 40 days after its conclusion; exemption of a member from service of legal process and arrest with the presence of the house.